Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel, that is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of Photoshop, I will tell you or show you how to use the remove tool in Photoshop. Now take an image. Now go to the panel of the remove. Now when you make it a bigger size of the brush, you press on the key of the close the bracket close button on your keyboard. When you make it smaller in size of the brush, you click on the open bracket keyboard. Now it removes it. Let me undo it once again. Let me undo it. I will make it a bigger size. I will make it a bigger size of the brush. Now it removes the tree. With this remove tool, you can remove any object or element from the background or foreground. With that tutorial, I have it was a quick tip. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel, that is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer.